you can hang out as long as you want today. As long as you want, but you're not peeing anywhere. How about I can't pee anywhere, man? I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to pee right in your sub pump. I don't even care. I don't even care. Stop. What are you doing? Stop. Don't do that. Stop.
Oh, man. There
Stop,
it is.
man. Look,
yeah,
you're right in my sub. You're in my sub.
You don't need none of this right here.
No, it's not
you don't
cool.
Want
you're in my
this
sub
right
pump.
Here.
Dude, you're going to break it. What are you doing?
Stop. I ain't going to stop.
You're going to take a leak right in my sub.
Come on. You don't want none of this right here. This is good stuff, man. That's
you're going to ruin
right in that sub pump, boy. Going to clear it all up and going to get the mechanical working well. You ain't going to have no flood in your basement ever.
You're going to ruin it. You're going to ruin this.
You ain't gonna have no. Oh man, I'm telling you what. That's a good.
You're gonna ruin the sub pump. Stop. You gotta stop, man.
Please, right there. Yeah, right there. You let me come over here. That's what's gonna happen.
Why do you come over here? Why do you come over here?
I talk about you don't want to come over here. I'm gonna get in your sub pump. I'm gonna get it in there. Oh man, I'm telling you, that's a good film, boy. It's a healthy release. You know what I mean? It's gonna keep going. It's gonna.